Hi, good day. Today I'm going to speak to you about creating ISO files. There are three things that I would like to demonstrate to you on how to use when dealing with ISO files. First thing is to create an ISO file. How do you create an ISO file? Also, to mount an ISO file, that is, after a file has been created, how do you go ahead and use the drive? And thirdly, creating having multiple ISO files open on a system. So the easiest way to create those files, well, I'm using Power ISO. It's already installed on the machine. First thing you do, you go to My Computer and you can right click, select Power ISO and make ISO image. An ISO file is really the acronym for ISO is International Standard Organization. That is basically a standard that is set for to creating images. Right. So when you right click and go to Power ISO and choose Make Image File, you can select which file extension you want, but we are creating an ISO file. Different file extensions may need different programs that can open it and play it properly. So we're using ISO file today, right? Um, so source drive will always be an optical drive. The destination drive, you can specify where you want your can specify where you want your file to be created and placed. In this case, I'll use the default, which is users Raj documents, and click OK. And the installation has started. So when it's complete, we'll mount this ISO file. Right. So the image file has been created. If we go to Documents, select Documents here, you will see that the image file was created. This ISO file here is a copy of the optical disk that was of the disk that was in the CD drive. It is my printer software. I didn't have a properly working Windows CD, so I use the printer software. Now I'll show you how to mount this image. Two ways. I'll show you the easier way last. Right, so I open up Power ISO. I'll close this. Open Power ISO. That's the program I'll be using. Right, so you click on Open and browse to where the file is located, which is in Documents. And this is the file here. You select the file, click Open, and it's open. So now you double click on start.exe, click Extract to a temporary folder, click OK. Wait till let's finish extract. So as you can see, it starts off as if the CD was placed into the CD drive. It started automatically, right? So this way here is I think is the harder way. So I'm gonna show you another way of doing it. So I'll exit here, close off this window. I'll go to my computer. Right? So this is one of the drive that I has created. I will disable this drive. So right click, go to Power ISO, go to set number of drives and click disable. right? So you can enable this software at any point in time that you need. Right, so we had disabled the drive before, so we'll enable it. We'll go to my computer, right click on a CD drive, go to power ISO, click set number of drives, and you can set 4 drives. See, 4 comes up, or you can set 1. I'll use 1 for now. So you right click on this drive, go to power ISO, mount image. Now you browse to where your ISO file is located. Once you have located the ISO file, you select the file, click open. So when you double click, you can see the program run automatically as if it was the original physical CD. Close that. And I'll show you how to unmount the drive. So you go back to power, you go back to my computer, right click on a virtual drive, power ISO, unmount drive. And if you want multiple ISO files to be open, you just go back to my computer, right click, go to power ISO, set the number of drives, say 3. And when those drives come up, for each drive here, you can browse to any ISO file, and those files will be loaded as if they were physically in the CD drive. I thank you for viewing. I look forward to making more interesting videos for you.